Friends, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a tiny and easy flower with one or multi petals. It's going to be very easy, but you can play with your creative ability. You will need a piece of paper and a pencil or pen. 2. A circle stencil template. If you don't have any, you can get any circle-shaped object to draw. 3. A piece of cloth with some tiny subtle pattern. 4. A needle with a thread. 5. Some beads and sequins. Their color should match your design. 6. To make the flower be able to stick on other things, you will need to prepare some double-sided foam tape. 7. It's always good to have tweezers, and it will help you to pick up a tiny thing. Step 1. We are going to draw a flower template paper pattern like this one. In this case, I decided to draw a 2.3 cm dimension flower from the circle stencil template. You can see that it has 4 edge point markers. That's the points we can use to create 4 petals. Mark these 4 points and draw a circle. Then connect the 2 opposite points together. For these 4 petals, mark a point in the middle of each of them. Then start drawing a heart shape. On the radius of this circle, we make another point at the center. It will look like a small circle in the big one for the location of the 4 petals connection. Alright, you will need to cut this one out to get your flower template paper pattern. I'm trying to trim the pattern to look better, especially at the end of the circle shape. Make sure they are looking round enough. The step 2. Please feel free to use any pen or pencil that you are happy with. Just draw the paper pattern on a piece of cloth, which you choose for making the flower. It's a good practice to make a paper pattern, as you are able to make some flowers in the same shape as many times as you like. Then, cut this flower shape out. The step 3. I have prepared a smaller white flower earlier. Then we place it on the one we just made at the top with a little angle to stagger the petal shapes. Alright, that's a good time to play around your creative ability until you are happy with your final design. We can stitch flowers, bead, and the sequins together. Follow the order to connect them. In the end, make a knot, then cut its sets off. Alright, let's get a foam tape to stick on the back side of the flower. Here we go. That's a simple way to make a flower. Actually, you can prepare different sizes of flower template paper patterns and play around a bit to design your flower layers. Check the dimension of the flowers are looking good first, before you go any further. See this necklet for a paper dog. It's using the same dimensions on 2 layers. Then the garnish flowers on her skirt are using 1 layer only. Use different size dimensions for flowers and different color materials with different beads and sequins through your creative ability to make them look good and stunning. Thank you so much for checking out this course, and I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. I will share more interesting DIY course with you. Please subscribe if you like this content. See you soon next time.